creating a token has never been so easy than it is on Zentrafi.xyz. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create your own token on the Zentrafi platform, okay? Now, this platform also runs on the Pharos network. But unfortunately, this task is not on the Pharos network dashboard, okay? But this is also a task you have to do to be able to up your chances to get greater rewards from the Pharos testnet, right? So now you can see this is how the platform looks like. I'll drop a link to the platform down below. And the first thing you have to do is, of course, connect your wallet. So as you can see, we have connected our wallet. That's the very first step we have to take. So this is how the dashboard looks like. You can see create token, launch token, and these are like different parts. These are tokens that other people have launched. Okay, you can see different people completed. Mr. Bean 12 holders, Born to Kill 34 holders. Your own token can also be among these ones. Okay, and I'll show you how you can get to that ASAP. So click on create token. Now, of course, make sure you have at least 0.1, but you can have more. Have at least 0.1 PHRS. You can see it doesn't really cost much. So you can see create a token, 0 code knowledge required, complete in less than 3 minutes, basic tokens and tax tokens, right? But we are creating basic tokens today, right? So first of all, you choose a name for your coin, and the decimals, I don't think you need to change that. Then choose the supply. Now your supply can range from 1 million to 10 million to 1 billion or whatever. The zeros are unending, as you can see, okay? But I will make this, let's say 10 million. Let's do that. And see, this is the total cost you need to create this token, okay? And here's like this. After creating your token, use Fair Launch app to fund your liquidity pool and project, and this okay? So next thing, just create a token. And congratulations, guys, you have successfully created your first token. I don't know for you, but this is also my first token, okay? So your token has been created successfully and it will be deployed to the blockchain. Now, make sure you copy this, all right? There's no, if you lose this, you literally lost the token, right? So your token is now live on the Pharos testnet. Now, your token is live does not mean people can buy it, okay? So we actually have to fund liquidity before people can actually access our token and buy it, okay? So to do that, just click on create fair launch. Paste that contract address you copied from the page before and fetch info. Good, you can see this is our token, airdrop symbol, this is supply and this. So you can now choose the DEX you want to launch this on, either Zentrafi2 or Zentrafi3. But V3 is like the latest version, so I'll choose V3 for this. What happens next? After fetching your token information, you configure your launch parameters, set the schedule, and add project details so that people can join your project. So click on next step, and you choose the total amount you want to sell. You remember we have just 10 million of these tokens, okay? So you want to sell all of them, you can put it here. You want to sell some, because in this case I'll put just 1 million, okay? So you can see refund type. So what happens when after the sell period, you can either choose to refund to yourself or to burn it. Now I advise you choose burn because it helps increase the value of it, okay? I remember this is just a test net, so you're not really, it's not real funds. Now your goal, it has to be more than 1, okay? The default is 2, but I usually put 1 as in how much of the raised funds that will be added to liquidity. I will just go with 100% everything. Oh, geez, no, 100%, okay? So, as you can see this, you will need 2 million airdrop tokens. Remember, we have 10 million, so only 2 million will be you put it into this fair launch, and make sure you have enough tokens. So, of course, we have enough. Click on next step, and this is the schedule. Now you can choose when your token will go live, okay? This is the start time of the token going live, and this is the end time when you want it to go off the market. This is just experimental shit, okay? If you want to make your own important, but I'm just using this to show you how you can do it yourself, all right? So these are like tips. Set your start time at least 24 hours in the future to allow for marketing, which is what I did here, okay? And recommend sale duration is 3 to 7 days for maximum participation. Now, longer liquidity locks will build more trust, okay? So our sale duration is definitely longer than 7 days, but it's up to you. I'm just showing you how you can get this done, okay? I'll click on next step. And this is where you now add your project details. This is where you add things about your project that when people click on this token, they will see this, okay? So I'll just do that right away. Okay, so just add a little something about your project here, okay? Now, you can see a detailed description, information tips, use high quality images, enter valid URLs, and then with all that, click on the next step. And this is like a review of everything. Your token name, your token symbol, decimals, supply, your launch configuration, and everything about your token. And create token launch. And congratulations, guys, we have successfully created your fair launch for this token we just created, okay? So this is the sale contract address and this is the transaction hash. Now you can choose to share this on any of your platforms, Telegram, WhatsApp, whatever, and yeah, your token will appear on the Launchpad dashboard in approximately 1 minute, okay? So now it depends on when you set your launch time today. Now we set our launch time for like 24 hours from now, so it wouldn't really be there now until when the launch time gets to, okay? So you see, creating a token has never been so easy than it is on Zentrafi.xyz. which is on the Pharos testnet. Okay, so if there's any other updates about this, I'll let you guys know. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.